From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff.
All right, new TL-MYN prototype in the booth. You're listening to prototype number 1 with no EQ. And this is prototype number 2. And this has EQ on it. Let me take the EQ off. Okay, so this is it without the EQ, and you can feel it feels a little bit darker, almost ribbony in a way. Here it is with the EQ back on, and it has a different capsule, same circuit, same body, different capsule. And to me, what I'm hearing is it actually sounds a little bit more dimensional sounding, whereas the prototype number 1, again, no EQ, prototype number 1 just feels like it's like totally in your face. Like really, as opposed to it feeling dimensional, it feels like almost like it's invading your private space. This definitely, to me, compared to prototype number 1, feels like it does. Like it occupies a physical location within a soundscape. You can almost sense a space around it. So yeah, dimensional. And this definitely feels like if it's in a physical space, it's like in the physical space, like closest to you. Like it's like right here. So, yeah, I felt like I had to choose between these two microphones, but I don't have to choose. I like them both. So, what do you think? Hold on, let's run some copy through it. And, before I do that, let me show you something. So after seeing Rick Malloy's awesome space in his thank you video, I was thinking, wow, he's got some cool stuff on the walls. What if, I want to be able to offer microphones to all of you. And until I can, how about some microphone artwork? How about some original microphone artwork? So what do you think of this? So how about what if I offer the ability to acquire microphone artwork that you could put on your walls, like original, cool, different stuff like this? All right, we'll talk about it more in the future, but it just occurred to me today. I wanted to mention it. All right, back to the matter at hand. As I digress. All right, so here, let's run some copy through it. This is prototype 1. All right, here we go. Sip sustainably with no cup coffee. Enjoy your coffee without the guilt of disposable cups. Our unique pour-to-hand service not only saves the environment, but also enhances the taste of your coffee. Try it now and be part of the eco-friendly movement. That's silly. ChatGPT generated copy. All right, prototype 2. Sip sustainably with no cup coffee. Enjoy your coffee without the guilt of disposable cups. Our unique pour-to-hand service not only saves the environment, but also enhances the taste of your coffee. Try it now and be part of the eco-friendly movement. That's ridiculous. All right, yeah, pour the coffee right in your hand. Drink it right out of your hand. As you're screaming from the pain of the burned hands. It just tastes like great coffee. All right, so what do you think? All right, prototype number 2, prototype number 1. I want to know what you're thinking. And tell me what you think of the artwork, right? What about like 3 or 4 original pieces like this in a series, right? You could get them like square, right? Get them on your wall. I don't know. T-shirt, something. Let me know what you're thinking, all right? I want to know. All right, leave a comment. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff, fading to black.